right of the track is the center. Going farther to the right of our travel is Palm Desert, La Phoenix, MGO, and
Charlie goes in there to reach the car.
You may have noticed on your way up the many windows you see to the left of our travel. Those working blades are powered by the almost constant winds that pour out of the mouth of the vanning pack. The electricity that these windmills generate is sufficient to power thousands of homes in our state. Well, where did you get
See they like that feeling, like the elevators?
What went open?
Nothing went open.
But someone said it did.
We were just joking about something. some of that on the next
the roof absorbs the water from the streams that flow in the canyon. That water, and for that matter, all the food, materials, and other provisions that are used in the mountain station have to be transported up on these tram cars. Water goes about the tank attached to the bottom, and then emptied at the mountain station. Each car can carry 800 gallons of water. Now, we limit it depending on how many guests transported. We'll be pulling into the Valley Station dock in a few minutes. Know that you take with you memories of a great adventure. Visit to a state park that encompasses 13,000 acres of pristine wilderness, 54 miles of hiking trails, and 6 primitive campgrounds. But I doubt we covered it all today. Depending on the time of the year you visit San Jacinto, you could see one or more of the 14 different mammals we call the mountain home. From deer mice, California myotis bat, ring-tailed cat, and the bobcat, but maybe a mountain lion or coyote. They're all there to see. Or you might spot some of the 63 species of birds, such as the golden eagle, stellar jay, dark-eyed junco, red-tailed hawk, headed there's just too much to experience in just one visit to this main
We try to consider rocks and we climb.
Charlie, we're near the rocks and we climb.
And it's time to remind you to be careful. Oh, by the way, if you didn't have a chance to shop for that souvenir while on the mountain, you might want to visit our Valley Station gift shop. Find it in the lobby on your way out. That's also where you find a copy of the CD.